Globe user ka ba? Alam mo ba na every time na maglo-load ka or magbabayad ng bills ay pwede kang mag-earn ng Globe Rewards Points na pwede nyong ipalit sa free data, calls, texts, or even vouchers. Pero ang problema, marami pa ring users ang hindi alam ito or hindi nila alam kung paano i-redeem or i-activate yung points nila. Kaya tuloy, hindi sila nakakapag-earn or kung merong mang points, nakatambak lang sa account. Minsan, nag-expire pa nang hindi nagagamit. Whether you're using Globe prepaid or postpaid, makakapag-earn ka pa rin ng points. But hindi ito automatic na naka-activate. Kailangan mo muna siyang i-set up para makapag-earn ka. On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano i-activate yung Globe Rewards points nyo and paano i-redeem ito on the GlobeOne app. So if gusto nyong sulitin yung Globe account nyo by learning how to activate your Globe Rewards points and redeem rewards, make sure you watch this video until the end. First, download the GlobeOne app, either on the Google Play Store or App Store.
Open the GlobeOne app, then you'll see your dashboard. Dito sa taas, if you have multiple accounts, pwede nyong iswipe to switch accounts. Then, click here. Dito nyo makikita yung points nyo. If hindi lumalabas, kailangan nyong i-activate. From the main dashboard, click your plan. Then, click Join Globe Rewards to earn points. Click Join Now. Double-check na tama yung account, then click Enroll Now. And there you go. Pwede na kayo mag-earn ng rewards points. Here, you'll see the rewards catalog. In order to claim your rewards, go to Rewards Points. Dito lalabas lahat ng rewards na pwede nyong i-redeem. Let's try clicking one of them. Dito nyo makikita yung details ng reward. Make sure to check yung redeemable location and validity. Browse pa tayo. So, as you can see, dito nyo malalaman kung ilang points ang required in order to redeem the reward. Meron din ibang rewards na free. Hanap tayo ng reward na mas magagamit. Ito, Lazada. Simply click Redeem and you'll receive your reward. Now, balik tayo sa Redeem Rewards and punta tayong My Vouchers. Dito, makikita nyo yung list of redeemed rewards. Click nyo tong gitna para makita nyo yung link to redeem the voucher or code. Ayan, nakikita nyo na yung details ng voucher. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, and if you want to use it, click nyo lang tong use. Then, go to redemption form. Iba-iba yung pag-redeem ng vouchers, depende sa merchant or sa company. Fill up nyo lang to with your registered Lazada wallet mobile number or email address. Then, don't forget to tick this box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click redeem. Confirm and double check na tama lahat yung details nyo. Then, click proceed. Now, we've redeemed our voucher. So, hintayin lang natin ma-credit on our Lazada wallet. Makaka-receive din kayo ng SMS confirmation for every reward claimed. Tignan natin kung nag-reflect na. Let's open the Lazada wallet and there you go. Successful na natanggap natin yung 100 peso voucher. Now, let's go back and claim more rewards. Try natin dito sa GlobeOne Zone. Pwede nyong i-try itong free, but andito tayo to use our reward points, kaya back muna tayo. Try natin to. Okay. 5 GlobeOnes. Then, just click play game. Then, just follow the instructions. Let's try our luck. Just keep tapping. Tingnan natin kung may mapapanalunan tayo dito. Unfortunately, wala tayong napanalunan. Try na lang ulit natin next time. But, may natanggap tayong Happy Tappy donation certificate from Ayala Foundation. Makakatanggap din tayo ng SMS. Automatically is mariredeem na siya. So, we don't need to do anything. Mapupunta na sa foundation yung donation natin. Hanap ulit tayo. To view more options, click View More. Ayan, sobrang dami nating options. Meron din silang Canva. 20% off on Canva Pro Annual Plan. Ayan, just click Redeem. And again, you can see the details of the voucher on your voucher list. Let's browse more rewards. Ito, mukhang okay din tong Hot Cat. Let's redeem that as well. Try naman natin tong SM Advantage Card Points. Okay, click Redeem. And I'll show you kung paano i-claim itong points. First, go to the vouchers list and then view your code. Kopyahin nyo to. Go to smac.ph, then on the upper left, click nyo yung menu, tapos log in. Actually, itong 31.20 points na to is na-credit na yung voucher. Hindi ko na screen record yung actual, pero I'm still gonna show you how. Click on the arrow dito sa upper right. Go to vouchers. Enter the voucher code and then click add. Pero again, since na-add ko na siya, yan yung nag-appear sa akin. Now, another way to confirm is to go to the SMAC and Shop app. Go to account, then points history. Ayan, makikita nyo na credit yung 15 points. Let's proceed to claiming more rewards. 7.16 na lang yung points natin, kaya let's look for something worth that much. Dito sa donations. Ang gusto ko dito is walang masasayang na points because may rewards sila for as low as 1 point. Like itong mga donations. Ayan, and dahil pet lover ako, let's also donate here.
Alright, so that's how you activate Globe Rewards and redeem rewards using the GlobeOne app. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys, bye!